Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams. First, we are going to solve simplifications. From today onwards, we are going to see the approach of solving a questions. First, in this question, we must need to know what is 11.11% fraction value. The fraction value of 11.11% is 1 by 9. This is 234 plus fraction value of 9.09% value will be 1 by 11, 374 equals to x plus 14.28% fraction value will be 1 by 7 into 273. So 9, 2 times 18 and 2 plus 3, 554 means 6 times plus 11, 34 times. So we get totally 60 here. 60 equals to x plus 7 3 times 21 and 63 9 times, so we get x value will be 21. So answer will be option B, 21. Now in this question we must need to know the cubes, the value of 19 cube, which will be 6859, and we must know the square of 49. 49 square will be 2401. Okay, the value will be 854 and this will be 44458 whole equals to 66.66%. We must know the fraction value of 66.66%. The value will be 2/3 of 4458. 3, 1 times 3, 3, 4 times 12, 8 times 24 and 1 6 times. So into 2 times will be 1486, 6 12, 8 8 16, 17, 8 9. This will be 2972. So 44458 equals to 2972 plus x. So x value will be 4458 minus 2972, which will be 6 8 and 4 1 1486 is our answer. Option E is our answer. Next, in this question we need to know how to multiply the number with 11. In this case 99 and 99 will be 981089. Okay, next minus, here it will be 121 into 3 into 11. First we do 3 to 121 times will be 363 into 11. So 363, 3 9 9 and 3. So we got the values of this one and this one. So 1089 minus 3993. So the value of this must be minus of 4092 equals to, this will be x into 2904 divided by 24. This and this cancels. Now we have x equals to minus 24. So answer will be minus 24, option A. Now we are going to see question number 4. In this question we must need to identify this as 0.1 whole cube. So this will be 0.1 whole to the power 43 divided by, this must be 0.1 whole cube whole power 27, means 3 into 27, which will be 81 whole power 81 into 0.1 square whole power 24. 2 into 24 will be 42, 48. So we get 43 plus 48, 43 plus 48 minus 81 equals to x value. So x will be here 0 and 1. 10 will be answer, option A. Next, fifth question. In this question we must need to know this 1.25 is nothing but 1 by 4, means 1 times 1 4, plus 1 means 5 by 4 into 18 divided by 1296 comes here, and divided by 48 comes in the top, 48 whole equals to x by 756. Now we are going to see this as 4 1 times 12 times 12 1 time 0 and 12 8 times 18 6 times 6 1 time 6 6 2 times 12 6 6 times, so 5 into 126 will be left. Okay, 126 into 5. uh, how we divide this, how we calculate this as 10 by 2. 2 6 times and 1 time into 10, which will be 610. So answer will be 610. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, uh, here 50 and 529, so we divide 50 as 10 into 5, and 529 as 23 into 23 times. So 5 into 23 will be 115. 10 into 23 will be 230. Sum of these two will be 345. So these are the roots, minus and positive, and the roots are in positive. Now here 10 into 27, we write this as 5 into 2, and 27 as 9 into 3. Let's take 9 2 times 18 and 15. Does we get 33? Yes, we get 33. To make the bases equal, here the base is 50 and here the base is 10. So to make the base equal, we multiply this with 5. 75 and 5 18 times will be 90. Now we compare these two. From these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay. Next, second question. Here 182 means 13 14 times will be 182, but we don't get 33, so this will be 13 and this will be 7 2 times 26 7 times will be 33. Okay, these are the roots and the roots are in positive. Here 91, 13 7 times will be 91. Plus and minus means minus and plus, so these are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Next question, here 99, 11 9 times, minus and plus means roots are in positive. Here 56 8 7 times, and the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Fourth one, here the root is 126. 126 means 6 into 21 times. Let's divide this 21 as 7 into 3 times, and we have 6 6 3 times will be 18 and 7 we get 25, and the roots are in negative. Here 35, 7 5 times is 35 and the roots are in negative. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than or equals to y. Next question, in this case 152 I remember this as 19 8 times and we got 27, and the roots are in positive. Here 119, this will be numbers of 79 times, no 77 times. This is why we need to learn 1 to 20 tables to find these numbers faster. So we got 24 and the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this positive 8 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x is lesser than y comes here. No relation can be established. For calculating faster in quadratic equations, we need to learn 1 to 20 tables, 20 into 20 tables. Now we are going to solve wrong number series questions. First question, here in this case the numbers are same, so we'll see 30 by 360 by 360 will be 1. Okay, next we write the bigger number on the below 451 and smaller value in the top. Let it be 0, then this will be 4 times, this will be 5 times, so it might be 4 by 5 times. If it is 450 divided by 750 3 by 4 times. Wait, 3 by 5 times. 3 by 5 times means, so it is 3 by 5 times, so it must be 450. Let's see the this one. 750 divided by 1875. This will be 25 30 times 25, 7 times 175, and 125 means 5 times. So 5, 15 2 times, and 15 5 times. So we got 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5. So it must be 1 by 5. 5 1 times, 5 8 times, 5 7 times, and 5 times. So this is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. This is 5 by 5. So our wrong number will be this one. We need to write 450 instead of 451. So we're going to see second question. Here the numbers are increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So we'll see with the differences here. Here the difference is 1, 3, 3, and 1. This is 11 cube, and plus here minus of 7, 9, 1, 2. This is also cube, 11 cube, 13 cube. Here the value will be 7, 4, 7, 2, which is not a cube value. Here the difference between these two is 8, 7, 3, 3, and this is also not a cube value. Here 6, 9, 0, 4, 4096. This is a cube value, which is 16 cube value. So 11, 13. So these two are not a cube values. So this is our wrong number. Next, here the numbers are in increasing order. We see the differences. Here the difference is 35. Here the difference is 56. Here the difference is 94. Difference between these two numbers is 551, 155. Here the difference between these two numbers is 5, 3, and 2. So I see this is a 5 multiple, 5 multiple, and 5 multiple. If it is 55 and 95, 94 plus 55, which will be the wrong one, I hope. Here the difference is 20. Here the difference must be 40. Here the difference is 60. Here the difference is 80. So it is the correct one. So this is a wrong number. Next we are going to see this number. Here increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference between these two numbers will be 4, 4, 3, and 1. Here the difference between these two numbers will be 2, 7, and 6. Okay, this number is half of this one. So let's see this one. Here the difference is 5, 3, and 3, which is not the half of this one. So might be this one is the false. And here the difference is 7, 6, and 1. This is also not half of this one. So these two may be the wrong one. And let's see this one. Here the difference is plus 84. So if it is half of this one, we get 336. Half of this one will be 168. So these two numbers are wrong. Half of this one will be 84. So these two numbers wrong means this is the wrong number. So next we are going to see fifth question. Here the numbers are gradually increasing. So we'll see 48 becomes 72. I know these two numbers as into 1.5 times. And here the difference is plus 2. Here it is nearly 2 times. Nearly 2 times means 148, and 0.5 times will be 37, which will be 581, 185. But here we have into 2.5 times, we have 186 instead of 185. So 185 into, wait, plus 3 will be 188, and this will be into 3.5. 188 into 3 times will be 564. 564, and 0.5 times means 94. 658. So our wrong number will be 186 instead of 185. Now we are going to see missing number series. First question. Here this becomes into 1.5 times, and here this is into 11 becomes 2 times, and 6 means 2.5 times. Here this is into 3.5 times, so this must be into 0.5 times. So x into 1 by 2 equals to 7.5, which is x value will be 7.5 into 2 times 15. Option B is our answer. Next question. Here the difference between these two numbers will be 25. Here the difference between these two numbers will be 100. So 5 square, this is 10 square. Here the difference between these two is 5, 2 and 6, 625, which will be 25 square. So here the number must be 15 square. Here the number must be 20 square. 400 and 225. 299 and 225, which will be 425, 524. 524 is our answer. Option C. Next one. Now we are going to see question number 3. This is nearly half times. So into half times will be 84.5 plus 0.5 will be 85. Here 175 becomes 705, means into 4 times 175 4 times will be 680. So 680 0.5 times, wait a second, 175.5 into 4 times will be 7, 170 4 times will be 680, 5 4 times will be 20, and 0.5 4 times will be 0.2, 0.5 times will be 2. Okay, so we got totally 6 and 702, 702, but we got a 705.5, means plus 3.5. So 0.5 plus 0.5. Here into 1 plus 1.5. In this case into 2 plus 2.5, into 4 plus 3.5. So 85 into 1 times will be 85, plus 1.5 will be 86.5 is our answer. Option A. 86.5 into 2 times will be 86, and 86 means we got 173 plus 2.5 will be 175.5. So our answer will be 86.5. Next, fourth one. These numbers are slightly increasing, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 5 and 2, 25. Here the difference is 9 and 4. Here the difference is 1, 2, 1, which is 11 square, 7 square. This is 5 square. This is 3 square. These are prime squares. So this must be 2 square, 4. So our number will be 1971 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, in this question, I see a 0.5 here. So it must be fractions. So I know this as into half times. 2796 into half will be 1398. Okay, next here, let's see, 1 by 2 means 1/3. 3 4 times, 3 6 times, and 6 times. So this is also perfect. Into 1 by 4, 4 1 times, 4 1 times, and 4 6.5 times. Okay, so it must be 1 by 5 times. 5 2 times 10, and 3 times 0.5 3 times. So answer will be 23.3%. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from J to F. Here from J we can reach up to Q, P, and W. From W we can reach up to N. From N we can reach to F. So first conclusion will be true. The flow from V to D. Here from V there is no flow. So first one only true, second one will be false. Let's see second question. The flow from H to S. Uh, Here it is H. From H we can reach to I, but none other possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. The flow from O to P. From O we cannot able to reach to P. So second conclusion will be false. Neither one nor two. Third question. The flow from F to L with everywhere equal to also. Here from F we can reach to K with equal to. From K we can reach to L with equal to also. So first conclusion will be true. Wait a second. First we will note these all. First question. First one will be the flow from J to F. From J we can reach to F. So it is true. Second one. The flow from V to D. From V there is no flow. Second conclusion will be false. Second question. First one will be neither one nor two. We got neither one nor two. In third question, the flow from F to L with everywhere equal to also, it is possible. So it is true. Next, second conclusion will be the flow from O to D. From O we can reach to F and K. From K we can reach to D. So second conclusion will be true. Next, fourth question. The flow from N to Q. From N we can reach to G, but we are not able to reach to Q. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from F to N with everywhere equal to also. Where is F? From F we can reach up to Q, but none of the other. So second conclusion will be false. But here it is N and N here. So we need to check Q and F is equal to or not. Q and F is equal. So N here is greater, N here is lesser and equal to also. So it is either or case. So answer for this one is either 1 or 2 for fourth question. Next we are going to see question number 5. The flow from P to M. From P there is no flow. So first one will be false. The flow from I to D. From I we can reach to M. We need to reach I to D. From I we can reach to M and F. From F we can reach to Q. From Q we can reach to D. So it is possible. First conclusion will be false and second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see simple syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. Only a few biscuit. Only a few chocolate or biscuit. All biscuit are chips. Some chips are crispy. Only crispy is hot. So hot is inside crispy and doesn't share with anything except crispy. So let's see conclusions. Some hot can be biscuit. This is hot and this is biscuit. Hot doesn't share with anything except crispy. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. All chips can be chocolate. All chips can be placed inside chocolate. It is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Next we are going to see second one. Only a few English is Tamil. Only a few English is Tamil. Only Tamil is Hindi. So Hindi is inside Tamil and doesn't share with anything except Tamil. No Tamil is Telugu. Only a few French is Telugu. Let's see conclusions. Some Telugu is not English. Okay. So we check all Telugu is English possible. All Telugu can be placed inside English. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will fails. First one is false. Second one, some English is Telugu. This is English and this is Telugu and it is the direct conclusion and there is no direct relation between these two. So second conclusion will be false. but this is some and some not case and some case. Telugu, English. Here suffixes and prefixes are not same. So this is neither one nor two. Next, third question. Question 3. Only a few first cry is Myntra. No, Myntra is Flipkart. Some Flipkart is Miso. Only a few Miso is Shopsy. Let's see conclusions. Some Shopsy can be Myntra. Some Shopsy can share with Myntra. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Second conclusion. All Misho or first cry. We need to see the direct meaning because it is the direct conclusion. About Misho. This is Misho. All Misho is inside first cry. No. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see fourth one. Only gown is maxi. So maxi is inside gown and doesn't share with anything except gown. Some saris are gown. Only a few saris are tops. Okay. Next one. All tops are skirts. Let's see conclusions. All saris can be skirts. All saris can be placed inside skirts. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So first one will be true. Second conclusion. No maxi is top. We check some max can be top. This is max. Max doesn't share with anything except gown. So here it is saying that no. So it is true. Now we are going to see last question, fifth one. Only a few months are day. Some days are week. No week is year. Next one. Only a few years are leap years. Only a few years are leap year. Let's see conclusions. Some leap year are not. So we check all leap year can be week. All leap year can be placed inside week. No, it is not possible. So no, all case fails means first conclusion, some not case will be true. Second conclusion, all days can be year. All days can be placed inside year. It is not possible. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see a month based reasoning puzzle. 7% are 7 seeds are sowed in different months, March to September. So March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Here in March we have 31 days, 30 days, 31 days, 30 days, 31, 31 and 30 days. Okay. Next, S was sowed in the month which has even number of days. So S is either here or here, or one more possibility is here. So we got 3 possibilities. Next one, more than 3 seeds were sowed between R and S. So S and R more than 3. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the place for R. There is no possibility of using this case here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place of R either here or here. Okay. Next one. Only 2 seats were sold between U and R. 1 to U. 1 to U. 1 to U. Next one. P was not sold after R. So P was not sold after R means before R. So we need to write like this. Before R we need to place P. So this case also fails. This is a place for P. There is a place for P in many cases. Let's see other one. T was showed after V. T showed after V. Next one. V, which was not showed in March. So V's place is not this one. Only 3 seats were showed between P and Q. P and Q 3. P and Q 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 Q. This is case fails. If we place P here, then 1, 2, 3 Q place will be here. Okay, next one. More than 1 month gap between P and U. Here we have 2 months gap. So this is a place for P and this is a place for Q. We got this one completed. This one is also completed. V below 1 is T. So this is the place for V and this is the place for T. So we got our solution. Now we need to check the questions. Which of the following statement is true regarding with seed R? Here R is in September month. R was sold at the last. First one is true. Option A is true. Let's next one. Second question. How many seeds were sold between P and U? P and U, we have 2 seeds. Means option B is our answer. Next, third question. U was sold in which of the following month? U on June. So option D is our answer. Next question. Who among the following seed was sold in the month of May? In the May month, we have V, but there is no option for V. We check B and E. The seed which was sold 3 months after V. No, this one not. The seed which was sold 2 months before Q. 1 and 2. So answer will be V. So option E is our answer here. Next one. Fifth question. Which among the following seed was sold 2 months after V? 1 and 2, which will be Q. So option C is our answer, Q. By this, we have completed our today's score booster topics. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.